Good morning, everyone. I am Madeline Beena, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sri Muthukumaran Institute of Technology, Mangadu, Chennai. Today, I am going to present the Cloud Service Model under the subject of Cloud Computing, subject code CCS 335, Regulation 2021. What is a cloud service model? Cloud service model define how cloud services are delivered to users. They describe the level of control, responsibility, management that cloud providers and customers share. There are three primary cloud service models are there. Infrastructure as a service, it is represented by IaaS. Platform as a service, PaaS. Software as a service, SaaS. Some extended service model include function as a service, desktop as a service, storage as a service. This diagram shows the cloud service model and they explain who manages the what customer or cloud provider in each model. Each column represents the different cloud model like namely private cloud, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. There are four models are there. The stack includes these layers bottom to top. That is a network, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, data, and application. Private cloud, customer manage the everything. That is the private cloud. All are the managed by the organization itself. Second one, infrastructure as a service. Provider manages the network, storage, server, and virtualization. And the customer manage the operating system, data, and application. The next one, platform as a service. Provider manage the networking, storage, servers, virtualization, and operating system. But customer manage the data and applications. Then last one, software as a service. Provider manage the everything. Customer only uses the software. Then infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service provide virtualized IT infrastructure such as servers, storage, networking, operating system, and virtualization over the internet. It is the foundation layer of cloud computing. Infrastructure as a foundation layer of cloud computing, that is a virtual machine, network access and load balancing, storage and backup. Infrastructure as a service is a delivery of technology infrastructure as an on-demand scalable services, usually built based on a usage, usually multi-tenant virtualized environment to be coupled with managed service for operating system and application support. The user can choose this operating system, storage, deployed app, networking components. Then advantages of the IaaS, infrastructure as a service. No need to buy a physical hardware. Full control over the infrastructure, high scalability and suitable for dynamic workload. Disadvantages of the infrastructure as a service, that is management responsibility is high. It requires technical expertise. Then security depends on customer configuration. Then example of use cases, hosting websites, running enterprise application, testing and development environment, high performance computing. Then characteristics of infrastructure as a service. Resources are available as a service. Services are highly scalable, dynamic and flexible. GUI and API based access, automatic administrative task. What are the infrastructure as a provider? Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud is the one provider. Rack Space Hosting is another provider. Joint Cloud is another provider. GoGrid is the another provider. The next one, platform as a service. It provides a platform that include operating system, development tools, database services, and deployment environment. Developers can build, test, and deploy application without worry about the underlying pre-configuration operating system and runtime environment. It integrates the development environment, that is the database management, Salesforce Lightning platform. Then what are the advantages of platform as a service? Faster application development, no need to manage servers or operating system, support multiple programming languages, cost efficient for developers. Disadvantage, limited control over underlying hardware, vendor lock-in, difficult to move application, customization restriction. What are the characteristics of platform as a service? Accessible to various users via the same development application. It integrates with web services and databases. It builds the virtualization technology, so resources can easily be scaled up or down as per the organization needed. It supports the multiple languages and framework. It provides an ability to auto scale. Then different platform as a service provider. Google App Engine, that is a Python, Java, Eclipse. Microsoft Azure is a .NET and Visual Studio. Salesforce is the Apex, Web Wizard, Tibico, VMware, and Soho. These are the platform as a service providers. Then last one, software as a service. It provides a fully functional software application over the internet. It is a licensed software offering on the cloud and pay per use. It is a software delivery methodology that provides licensed multi-tenant access to software and its function remotely on a web-based services. Customers do not invest the software application program. It accesses the application through the web browser without installing and maintaining software. Then subscription billing, automatic updates, no installation required, access from anywhere. This is the software as a service. Example, Gmail, Google Workspace, Microsoft Office 365, Salesforce CRM, and Dropbox. What are the advantages? No software installation, zero maintenance, highly scalable, accessible from anywhere. Disadvantages of the software as a service: limited customization, internet connection is required, data privacy concern, that is stored on the provider servers, that the use cases in email services, CRM and ERP system, online collaboration tools, and online storage application. Characteristics of software as a service: managed from the central location, hosted on remote server, accessible over the internet. It is not responsible for hardware and software updates. Updates are applied automatically. The service is purchased on the pay as per use basis. Some different software as a providers: Google App, Gmail, Docs, Talk, etc. Microsoft Hotmail, SharePoint, Salesforce, Yahoo, and Facebook is the software as a provider for the example. Extended cloud service model. Function as a service, also known as the serverless computing. Function as a services is also known as the serverless computing. Automatically runs code function in response to event. Example, AWS Lambda, Azure functions. The next one, storage as a service. It provides the scalable online storage. Example, Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage. The next one, desktop as a service. Desktop as a service is a cloud-based virtual desktop. Example, Amazon Workspaces. Thank you.